Greetings, internet marketers. Welcome back to another episode from How to Webmaster. I am back at it again at SEOClerks, and today I will be buying some social media services from SEOClerks for $1. And here I'm at SEOClerks and I've searched for social media and it is showing 37 pages. I need to filter this out and show only the top rated sellers. And what I like to do is make sure to check this right here. Average response time from the seller should be less than 24 hours. This shows they have good customer service and are responsive to the buyers. And now filter the price. Let's drag this to $1 and then click on filter, and let's go up here and now sort by ratings. So now I have the top rated sellers at the top with the most responsive and top rated sellers at the top, and also only $1 for all the services here. And there are plenty of social media services, from things like buying social signals, traffic, backlinks, video promotions for YouTube and Twitter and social media. So all kinds of gigs starting at $1 from top rated sellers with hundreds and thousands of good feedback, ratings, and sales. And now let's find one that I will buy. Alright, I found this gig right here for a top 3 social media, 12,000 mixed SEO social signals. And here's the details, and practically they're gonna give me some shares from Pinterest, Tumblr, and these other web shares. I'm not sure what those are, but I'll try it out, and it will be for my site here, dog training, and I will update you guys later on the progress, if this thing worked or not. So let's check it out. Click on order now, and here the seller provides some more upsells that you can check out if you want. And there is a processing fee, but if you buy more than 1 gig, the fees are gone. And you can choose to pay with PayPal or credit card. And if you pay with your balance, there is no processing fees. And that is what I would choose to do. Alrighty, the order is complete. Now the seller provides you with some instructions to start the service. So basically it's 3 steps right here. Enter a URL, provide 10 keywords and a small description about your website, and you can check on your current social signals right here. So let me check that out real quick, and this site will show you how many social signals that your website currently has right now. So my site here, dogtraining.help, let's check it out. It's got 0, 0, 0, and this service will provide me with supposedly 10,000 signals, and we'll see in a couple days. So to start the order, let me copy his instructions real quick. Scroll down here, let's paste in the instruction. Now let's enter in these 3 details. Alright, I got my link right here, my keywords, and my description of my site. And now let's click on send, and that's all there is to it. The order has now been sent to the seller and it is started, and it will be delivered in 3 days. And again, I will be making an update video later on, so be sure to subscribe to my channel, How to Webmaster, for more updates and tips and tricks on internet marketing. Thanks so much for viewing, and until next time, happy marketing.